Good morning, students. Today we will start our next topic. DBMS means Database Management System. Okay, so take out page number 32. Now we have to understand what is DMBS. DMBS stores a large amount of data in an organized manner. Okay, it stores data in large amount. Okay, so we can store detect about customers, employees, product, etc. It can be used regularly in working area. Okay, students, because there are too many customers, employees and products name are available, so they kept their data in database management system because it stores large amount of data. Okay, and the example of DMBS is Microsoft Access 2010. You can see that. Okay, we also see it in our lab. Okay, and next is Fox Pro, Open Office dot organization base. These three types of data are used in saving a data in large amount. Okay, it can store large amount of data, and here some keynotes are given here. What is integrated package? Integrated package includes several application program combined together in one easy to use package. Okay, in this package several application are combined together and it can used in one way. Just like that, we kept too many pens in our geometry box. Okay, there are too many pencils are in a geometry box. Integrated packages are also store several types of programs, and we will use one pen at a time. Okay, so we have to open the geometry box and take out a pen. Just similarly, integrated package stores too many applications in it. Okay, an integrated package consists of a word processor, graphic package, database, communication software. Okay, it can store processor, graphics, database, communication, etc. Example of integrated package is Microsoft Office. Here you can see that Microsoft. So, and then Microsoft is a integrated package. Okay, there are number of advantages buying an integrated package rather than separate package. हम लोग को यहाँ पे जो है बहुत सारा प्रॉफिट है. क्या करना? इंटीग्रेटेड पैकेज को खरीदना, इसके बदले में कि हम लोग अलग अलग सारे पैकेज को रखें. मीन्स अगर हम लोग घर में एक ड्रॉयर ले लें, अलमीरा ले लें, तो जितने सारे एक्स्ट्रा क्लोथ्स हुआ या अदर थिंग हुआ उसको हम लोग उसमें स्टोर कर सकते हैं. लेकिन ऐसे अगर नहीं लिए तो घर में इधर उधर पड़ा रहेगा. वैसे ही इंटीग्रेटेड पैकेज को अगर हम लोग ले लेते हैं, खरीद लेते हैं अपने कंप्यूटर में, तो हम लोग की जितने भी ग्राफिक्स है, डाटाबेस है, सॉफ्टवेयर है, उन सबको वो स्टोर करके अच्छे से मैनेज करके रखेगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, now next topic is specific purpose application software. A specialized application software is designed to carry out a specific task, usually for particular industries. It is used in a particular industries. इसका यूज किसी इंडस्ट्रीज वगैरह में, कंपनीज वगैरह में होता है. For example, a payroll application program, it is designed exclusively for payroll activities. Okay, what is payroll activities? It is used in industrial area because it can create a payroll application program. Okay, and other example included in which specific purpose application software are used is business application package, educational application package, and automatic invoicing system. A specific purpose application software can be very expensive and is used by large companies or where general purpose application packages are not available. A specific purpose is that is why a specific purpose is used in industrial area because it is very एक्सपेंसिव. ये बहुत महंगा होता है, इसको हम लोग सब कोई अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता, इसलिए इसका यूज कहाँ होता है, इंडस्ट्रीज में होता है, बड़े बड़े कंपनीज में होते हैं, वो लोग इसको अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं. और वहाँ पे जनरल पैकेज जनरल पर्पस जो पैकेज है जिसका हम लोग यूज करते हैं उसको वो लोग यूज नहीं कर पाएंगे. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स योर चैप्टर इज कंप्लीटेड. On next day we will discuss about exercise. Okay, tick the correct option, true, false, and filling the blanks. And read this chapter again.